Hello everyone, so today we are going to make a screwdriver drink. So the first thing we have to do is to put the ice here in the glass. And then we will put 1 jigger of vodka. The next step that we are going to do is to put orange juice and fill it through the glass. And then we will use a bar spoon to mix it. And then we will put orange fruit at the top of the glass as a garnish and design of this cocktail drink. And there we have it. Here is the final product. Thank you.